Here's what the B minor scales sound like. B harmonic, left hand fourth finger always starts because it's substituting for a super lazy thumb. 4, this is a 2 group, and thumbs, and this is like a 3-eared bunny rabbit on F sharp, G, A sharp, and thumbs on B. 2-eared rabbit like this on a C sharp and a D, thumbs on E, and then a 3-eared bunny rabbit on F sharp, G, A sharp. Here's the top note B. I am currently in B harmonic minor, coming down exactly the same way. Thumbs, as you know, on E, 2-eared bunny rabbit on D, C sharp, thumbs on B, 3-eared bunny rabbit right here on black key, white key, black key, and then thumbs on E as always, and 2-eared rabbit on D, C sharp, and then 4 on the left hand on a B, right hand thumb on a B. That's for you to learn how to play it evenly, but I was giving you the fingering groups so you get that all sorted out. Okay, the next one I'm going to do, this currently is B harmonic minor, going up and down the same way. Now I'm going to go through what's called B melodic minor. And so it starts out just the same way. Fourth finger in the left hand on a B, all right, and the 2-eared bunny rabbit group, C sharp, D, that stays consistent. Okay, your thumbs on E, that also stays consistent. Here's where things get weird. Going up, you use all 3 black keys on the bunny rabbit group that has 3 ears, like a 3-eared rabbit. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, yay! And then thumbs on B. Here's the 2-eared rabbit staying consistent. C sharp, D, thumbs on E, 3 ears, black keys up here. Now when you come back down, switch the fingerings, keep the fingerings, but switch the notes out for only using the lowest black key in each group. Thumbs on E, it goes D, C sharp, thumbs on B, 3-eared rabbit on, only use the F sharp, so you go A, G, F sharp, and then you go thumbs on E, and then this group, the 2-eared rabbit group, and then it's done. It sounds like this. And this is called B melodic minor. And that's the crash course on B melodic minor.